Our practice class auscultation of the heart student or
I
name?
am Padmavathy Rajpurohit from OME 222. Now we are seeing auscultation points of the heart. First point is the mitral wall. It is located in the mid-clavicular line of the fifth intercostal space.
Okay, listen.
Second one is an aortic valve. It is present in the second intercostal space of the right side.
Okay.
Third one is a pulmonary valve. It is in the left side of the sternum. It is located in the second intercostal space.
Okay.
Fourth one is a tricuspid valve. It is present in the xiphoid process. Fifth one is an Erb's point, both canna point. It is located in the third intercostal space.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much.